Alright, so we're still looking at the stator. I haven't given up, but we're not deluding ourselves at this point. So I have the 3 leads separate. I got them, the 3 wires rather, head wires separate. They were all taped up with this awful tape stuff. And this one is frayed here at the end. A little play there. But these two are broken way up there by the windings. And I'm not really sure that there's going to be enough room for me to clean the wire and get it prepped for solder. I don't expect it to really hold at all. That's that. And you know, we've got, I don't know, it looks like the windings might be a little mixed up in that. And then if I look at the other side, what I was hoping was I could just cut them and pull it through the stator and get it all rewound. But if we look carefully at the other side here, these wires, it's nuts. These wires go through everywhere. They don't go through in one place. These wires are over here, and we should see them going through there. But as we see, this one actually goes under the winding and must go in. So they're all offset. There's no way. So even if you pulled the tape, the cloth tape off and started pulling these apart, I don't know if I could get it out of that from under that winding without destroying it. So I have no intention of what I was thinking, which was pulling that out of there. You know, if you're not hip to his channel, I don't know exactly the letters, but David A1 the Highway or whatever, his way, that guy's amazing at what he does, and I've been watching his videos. I only understand a small portion of what he's talking about. But he does some amazing work, and what I've seen him done on motors that need a head wire all the way back to the lead wire, he would just pull them through the stator, get them all done, and run them back through. But this one doesn't seem like it's going to work like that. So this might need to be rewound just because everything's... I don't even know if that's possible. So anyway, I'm going to give that a little more thought. I think what I might do today, just for fun, is to pull the base apart and see what's inside the base, see what that looks like. But this fan might be a wash, because that's what it looks like. So anyway, there we go. Yeah, I got the room here on the table and the Curiosity, so I'm going to pull the base apart. There's 3 screws that hold the base on underneath, and then it looks like the switch mechanism is all held onto those with those 4 screws. So we're going to try and get those out of here. Not for sure how much luck we're going to have. We'll see. Alright, I got it separated from the base. It's quite dirty, as you'd imagine. We've got more electrical tape, yay. And we've got our 3 leads, so I would imagine that's where they hook up to the head wire, right there. Those 3 deals. And we got 3 speeds there. So the cold, I don't know, it's dark in color for sure, but I don't know if it really looks that bad considering its age. So yeah, that looks a little janky over here. That's kind of a drag, so we got exposed wire right there on that as well. So this would have to be maybe rewired all the way up to here. Questionable whether I'd be able to pull that off. Sorry I'm talking so low. So that's what we see. Not good on that either. So this just needs all the stuff, I guess. How do you test this? You just use the ohm setting on the multimeter? I don't know how to do that. Let me know what you think. Alright, here we are under the light. We can see a little better. We do have a big honking exposed wire there. I unwrapped this guy's Christmas present here from 19 whatever. I've been meaning to buy electrical tape. Now I got a whole roll of it. Christ almighty. But that was how you did it back then. They didn't have no shrink wrap. So I'm going to trace these back, make sure I know what's where, and make a little diagram. They're kind of all tangled up here. But get an idea of what's where, just so that I know. And then, I don't know, I might just go ahead and start fixing this. I don't know. I might not. We'll see. Hey, I don't know. Alright. Alright, I got the rest of the head wire apart to trace it back. What's interesting is that it was actually bound by wire in the center. The three were wired together here. I had to cut that off. So now I'm just making my diagram.